Before I show you how powerful and easy it is to use a real transformer, I want to show you what it can do for you. Take a look at this YouTube channel. It is generating, give or take, around $278 a month. Now, hold on one second. If you take a look at this YouTube channel, it's generating $473 a month. And this YouTube channel is generating around $1,100 a month. And then we have a massive one that is generating $44,000 a month on average. Now, all of these videos are AI generated. They are storytelling videos. They actually get massive views, 4.3 million, 655K, 602K. Let's just take a look at some of these. 1.4K, 1.2K. Actually, if you go to popular, it's going to give you 1.9 million, 846, 423K, and all of these views can actually be turned into money. Like I said before, all of these videos have been generated by AI. They're publishing viral storytelling videos that just get loads of views. These videos are story-based, so they keep watching while the video is playing. And the best part, these can be monetized with Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, digital offers, sponsorships, and your own offers. Now, so far, there has been one major problem. To generate these videos, you needed to buy multiple tools. You needed one for storytelling. You needed one for writing the script, one for creating the visuals, one for creating the voiceovers, and then obviously something that puts all these slides together. Did it work? Of course it did. But did it make it simple? Definitely not. And that is exactly why my team and I have built the Real Transformer. It is a software that actually creates all of this within one platform. So it creates storytelling videos in 5 simple steps, and it takes on average about 5 minutes or less to create them. So basically you enter the simple story idea that you want the video to be about. Real Transformers creates the actual story. Then it creates the visual slides, and you can do AI generated or the actual real human slides. And then you create the voiceover. You can select from multiple voiceovers, and all you have to do is click render and your video is done. It doesn't matter which platform you're using, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Basically, this software removes all the heavy lifting. Now, let me show you how simple it is to use it. So we are inside of Real Transformer, and this is what you get once you log in and you click on create a video. And the next thing is that you can choose the language you want to work with, and then it gives you different prompts that you can give it as a story idea. We are adding more as we go, and then you just click on one of these or you create your own. Now the next thing is to choose the framework, and in my case I'm just going to go with this one. I'm going to choose the hook as transformational one. I'm going to choose the tone to be emotional, and I want storytelling video. So what I want to do next is select how many minutes it should last for. So I'm just going to go with 2. Now you can choose shorts or you can go with YouTube depending which style you want. And let's click on generate story. It normally takes a couple minutes to generate a story depending on how long the video is. Obviously for a 10-minute story, it's going to take a little bit longer to make it happen. So once the story is generated, you are going to have complete story right here, and you can click on edit and edit every single word in this if you wanted to, but obviously this is done for you. You can also edit each individual slide. The next thing that this software does, automatically it creates scenes based on the story. Now, if we click on next, what we can do is change the voice that you have, the media output. You can make it stock B-rolls, AI generated, your own uploads, or animated background. And let's just say I wanted to use animated background. All I would need to do is click here and it would create this type of animated background for this video. Now, if I wanted to create AI generated, I can switch and I click on this right here. But for my case this time, I'm going to leave it with stock B-roll footage. And if you wanted to, you can click and change every single one of these that we have right here. So since this is storytelling video, I want to use this sound. So all I have to do is click on this.
In a world obsessed with noise, the quiet ones hold a power most people will never understand.
So now I can select this as my voiceover and I click on generate voiceover. It's gonna take a couple of seconds to generate the voiceover, again, depending on how long the video is. Once it's done, it's going to give you this message, and then what you need to do is click on next and it's ready to render. So click on rendering and it's going to take a couple of minutes to generate the entire video. Now that the video is generated, it's ready to download. All you have to do is click on download video right here and it's going to download to your download folder. Another thing is it creates a ready-made titles as well as the description. Same for TikTok, and you can use these for other platforms as well. So once you finish this, all you have to do is click on finish and your video is going to stay in your stories right here. Simple as that. And take a look at the examples of these videos that we have for you.